Okay, so hi dear Virgo, very very good evening to you guys. This is 7 days, 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Virgo Sun Moon Venus rising from 12th till the 18th of May. Okay, and want to be a reader like me or for personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. And for Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self Love Course 2, links are given below in the description box. So let's start. Virgo, 12th we have the experiencing. You are going to experience some kind of issue that you have experienced before as well in your life, but you are going to handle it with all of your wisdom and knowledge is the deal here. So the universe is going to kind of test you in some way in order to understand whether you have received the lesson that you got because of your experiences, or you are going to repeat the same cycle again. 13th of May, we have the participation. Now, Virgo, give your full attention, give your full participation in a particular situation, even if others are not doing their best. Okay, the more you are going to give from your side, the more you are going to get good results in the coming future. Maybe you're not going to get the result immediately, but your hard work is going to pay off in the coming future. So give your best. Okay, 12, 13. 14th, we have the inner voice. Now you are going to be filled with a lot of choices, or you are going to be filled with a lot of confusion in a situation. So just connect with your inner voice, connect with your soul, and the more you're going to connect with your inner voice or your intuition, you will be definitely able to get the answers to whatever issue you are facing here in a situation. So listen to your inner voice when you are feeling conflicted or confused in a particular situation. You will be able to find the answer for sure. But sit in silence, sit with yourself, listen to your intuition, then only it's going to happen. 12, 13, 14. 15th, we have the letting go. Now, on the 15th of May, you have to learn the art of detachment and letting go in order to make room for something that's good for you, in order to start a brand new chapter of your life that you might be able to mm, you might be trying to achieve from quite a long time now, but this is the energy of you understanding the power of detachment and letting go, and then realizing that this is the only thing that can help you to get what you really really want. 12, 13, 14, 15. 16th, we have the mind. Now, on the 16th of May, your mind is going to tell you stories or things that might or might not be true. Yeah, so it's like listening to your mind is going to give you this energy of, oh my god, there's so much to accomplish, there's so much to do, I have to do this as well, I have to do that as well, I'm behind this, I'm behind that, I'm not doing good in life, a lot of stories. So shut down your mind and try to listen to your heart. Okay, and relax. Just try not to be caught by your mind, because mind is stupid. No mind is the life that we all should be doing, we all should be living. God. 17th, we have the postponement. Some kind of delay or some kind of obstacles or challenges are going to be on your way regarding a particular situation that you want to achieve. Whatever it is, for some of you it's a travel delay, for some of you it's a money delay, something is happening here. But this delay is actually helping you to be more and more patient with yourself and more present with your current life, with your current energies. So postponement is actually good for you. It's kind of teaching you something very very valuable. So instead of getting pissed off, instead of being in this energy of, oh my god, why the hell it keeps on happening to me, try to understand the lesson here and the blessing out of the situation. So it's a blessing, something good is going to happen. 18th, we have the intensity. On the 18th of May, you are going to have a lot of power, a lot of energy to go in a particular direction with full intention, with full intensity. But try to relax, try to calm down, try to understand, is it important, is it necessary, or you should just think before you are going to do something in a particular situation or in a direction. Just try to figure out a way to be mindful of whatever you are trying to do or whatever you are trying to achieve here, right? Intensity is good, but mindfulness is equally important in order to achieve something really really important and good. Yeah, so yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.